everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Belinda. On my channel I talk about skincare and self-care, and today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get your teeth white within 30 minutes. And the product I'm going to tell you about today, I love it so much because for a couple of different reasons. For one, it does not require any mixing of powders, and for the second reason, it does not require any trays to put on your teeth. You know, those things can get annoying and hard to keep in your mouth, so you don't have to worry about any of that today with the product I'm going to show you. And the number one reason why I love this so much is because if you have an event to go to and if you don't have a lot of time, and let's just say you notice that your teeth need a little bit of whitening, and you don't have a lot of time to do the whole system that you see on the internet about these trays and all these other things, you can get it done within 30 minutes with this product. So I really love it for that reason, especially something that you can, you know, you put it on your teeth while you're taking a shower, while you're doing your makeup, guys, while you're shaving, while you're, you know, getting yourself together, while you're getting dressed. And by the time you finish getting dressed, you will see a difference in the shade of your teeth. Right now we're all wearing masks because of COVID, but the masks are gonna come off one day, so I'm gonna help you guys to look your best. So I'm gonna show you the product. This is the name of it. All right, it comes with 28 strips in the box, so it's like a 2-week product. And I love it because as I said, just using one, I saw a difference in the way my teeth look. So these are what they look like in the package. And I saw my daughter using these. That's where I first discovered these things, because her teeth are always white, and I'm like, what are you using? So she showed me these. She has beautiful teeth, and she showed me these, and I was like, you know, let me get one. Just using one, I literally saw a difference in the way my teeth look. It comes with this card inside of it, and the card gives you a range of different colors to show, you know, you can see so you can see progress when you're using it. So just using one strip, I really saw a difference when I measured it on the card. So I was sold immediately, so I had to get my own. So now I'm never home without these. These are something that's going to be a staple product for me. So I want to show you guys how they work. I didn't really want to put it on camera, but I'm going to do it because I'm going to get a little messy today for you guys. So I'm going to open it up, and this is what it looks like. So it just shows 2 strips. All right, the box tells you how to put it on, and so it's pretty simple. So you apply to your teeth.
Apply to your teeth. Ah.
Really fast and simple. And the bottom, again, instructions on the back, so you can't mess this up. Okay, it's really easy. So this is what it looks like on, and it says you can, I'm gonna talk funny now, it says you can put it on for up to 60 minutes, but I use it for 30 minutes because I just can't with the 60 minutes thing. And I'm gonna put on a timer. All right, so after the 30 minutes, you guys are gonna see a difference. So I'm not gonna do the whole 30 minutes on camera, of course.
A few moments later.
So after washing it off, like I said, guys, you will see a difference because you're gonna use this card to kind of measure and use this like a gauge to see the difference in what you had, how your teeth looked before and what it looked like after taking the strips off. Guys, it doesn't get easier than this. All right, this strip is really good to have. I think it's $22.99, so it's not even expensive. So of course I'm gonna have a link down below for you guys to buy it on Amazon. And by the way, guys, if you use what I do to make this work even better, I take a little bit of peroxide in my mouth and I keep it in my mouth for about 5 minutes before applying the strips. So just pour it in your mouth, keep it on for 5 minutes as peroxide, keep it on for 5 minutes, spit it out the peroxide, and then add the strips over it. People might say that's not a good thing, but I don't have any problems with it. And again, this doesn't cause sensitivity, which is one of the best thing about it. It does not cause pain or sensitivity on your teeth. I've never had pain with this before. My daughter doesn't complain about pain either. So this is again why I love this stuff. So the peroxide kind of give it an extra boost of making your teeth get white even faster. You can use it up to 60 minutes, but I only use it for 30 minutes and I see a difference. So that's what I use. That's how I use it all the time, with just 30 minutes. So there are some warnings on the back of it, which is important. It says you cannot, it's not recommended for pregnant women. It's not recommended for kids under 12. So just simple warnings that it's good to follow, you know, these warnings just to be safe. Again, I really think that you guys are gonna love this product. I'm gonna have a link in the description box down below so you can get it directly from Amazon. It doesn't cost you extra to get it from my link. It just takes you directly to Amazon website. All right, so check it out, guys. You're gonna love it. It's simple, it's easy, it's fast, and it works. So please get it from the link below and thank me later. Thank you guys so much for being here. I love you. God bless you, and have a good day.